Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May the 23rd, 2022. We're going to talk about Microsoft, and has the collapse happened in the stock. You guys can see already ran a downtrend. Yeah, and it looked like Microsoft is not the exception. Pretty much every stock is in a downtrend. I said pretty much. Every stock is not in a downtrend though, but majority of them are. And you guys can tell that I predicted that. I was looking for the price of Microsoft to go down on April the 26th, and here we are today, about a month in, and the price has gone down. So we were already in position expecting this to happen. So I'm not surprised. So now I wanted to come in and see if we're going to continue to see price fall in Microsoft, because if so, we don't want to buy it. It's just that simple. If the market's going to continue to drop, we don't want to buy it. You're going to see a whole lot of people come in and dollar cost average into this market, not knowing when the dip is going to stop. So why are you going to dollar cost average while price is going down? That's ridiculous. You want to dollar cost average up when the market is in a bull market, when it's in an uptrend. That's when you want to dollar cost average, not when the market is in a downtrend, because there's no guarantee that price will ever get back to the levels to where you originally bought the stock. Doesn't make any sense. So to everyone who's new, go ahead and hit that like button, and also subscribe here to my channel. Now, real quick, let me go ahead and take this away, because you all can see that the price in Microsoft literally on the last day came all the way down to the low price of $246.44. I was right there. You guys see that? Where I called it on April the 26th, right there. 12%, 12.38%. There you are. Simple. Let's get rid of it. Now let's talk. Okay, because one thing we are for certain is that price in Microsoft is in a downtrend. Don't let no one tell you anything otherwise. You guys can see from the high, which occurred in November of last year, we've already seen the market in Microsoft lose 27%. To those, that is what they term a bear market, right? So let's do this here. Look how strong this downtrend is in the market in Microsoft. Look at that. Very, very weak. Okay. So now, first of all, what I want to do is look at this on a long-term basis. Okay. And you guys can tell that over the last couple of weeks, we haven't really seen any bullishness. Now, what happened right here, this weekly chart, price bar right here, tells me that this is where people was buying up the stock, right? Somebody was listening to some YouTuber, was listening to some stock analyst who covers Microsoft, and they was like, we need to buy here. And the reason why they're telling you that is because they want to sell it. Yeah. If someone's telling you to come in and buy the stock when it's in a downtrend, more than likely they need to create a market to where they can sell their position. If no one's going to buy the stock at these levels, then it's going to continue to fall. So before price continue to fall, these stock analysts is telling you to come in and buy it here because price is more attractive while they sell it to you. Now, another thing that's the problem is that you guys can see here that the market in Microsoft has broken this level to the downside right here. Okay. So yes, we're still seeing some changes occur into the market in Microsoft. We did not want to see this happen, but it did. All right. We got to keep it real, keep it a buck. We are seeing new areas of restriction. The prior area of restriction was around 270. Now we're going to lower it down to 265. So as long as the price of Microsoft does not break above $265, we're going to continue to expect price to fall. Okay, now we may not have that far to go though. Yeah, this is a relatively strong market because so many people hold this stock, right? We got, cities holding this into their employees' pensions, and 401ks and large hedge funds is holding this stock. Everyone is holding Microsoft. So yeah, can we see a crash occur like what happened in Walmart and Target and Costco? I don't think so, not in Microsoft, but we can still see price fall. The next level I want you all to see would be around this particular price. Okay, it's going to be around 230. $230. Are you expecting price to hit 230 in Microsoft? Look at that on the 5 weeks. Yep, 230. I would say like 230, 235 is where I'm looking for the market in Microsoft to hit, at least on the 5 weeks basis. I don't like the monthly chart neither. That monthly chart is massively weak in Microsoft. Okay, so I'm going to bring up this level because I don't want us to get it confused. As long as price in Microsoft trades below 270, we're going to be in a bear market. We're going to continue to see price dip and go down. Okay. So let me go ahead and push this over. Like I said, we're going to look for the price to go down in Microsoft. 270. As long as price trades below 270, we are going to play the weakness. Okay. And I was looking for 235. So that's around like 7% for us to hit that market. It's going to be, I could definitely see 240. Yeah, I could definitely see 240. So my first price target will be 240. That gives us 5%. Okay, 5%. 235 is next. Gives us around 7%. I'm going to bring it down to 230. So we got 240 and then $230. Those are the two levels that I'm looking for price in Microsoft to go to try to find buyers. Okay, it doesn't mean that they're going to be there, because sometimes buyers don't show up. Just because they've shown up previously doesn't mean that they're going to show up again. So this is where I'm looking for the market to initially go to try to find the buyers. 240. If they're not at 240, then it's going to be $230. If they're not at $230, then we're going to come back in and do another video and play the weakness again and see where are they. We're going to continue to stair step our way down until the market finds the buyer. This is what's going on right now in Microsoft. This price is going down to where we can find the biggest opportunity to find buyers. Okay, the market's going to continue to do that until the volume really steps in, get the confirmation that they're there, and then the market in Microsoft will begin to lift. Till that time, we know what to do. All right, now it's your turn. Go ahead and let me know, what do you all suspect the price in Microsoft to do as we go into the month of June? Yeah, just the next couple of weeks, and tell me where you think the price is going to be. You guys can see what my thought processes are. You guys heard what I said. And you also see, or you've also seen what I think. All right, make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.